I would like to bring your attention to the transformative impact that is, summer internship has on the final placement. It significantly impacts your final placement because, it has enhanced your employability and skill set which you have. It has given you practical exposure and experience, real world problems you have been made aware with. And of course, knowingly or unknowingly, you have developed a plethora of soft skills and technical skills, and this includes, whether data analysis which you are doing in your work time, or your marketing teamwork, your communication skills are being built, and these are all essential for your ultimate final placement that we as a college and you as a student are looking towards. Then direct placement opportunities come from internship companies. Like, I would like to bring your attention to this PPOs, that is pre-placement offers. What happens, high performing interns are often, they receive direct job offers. If you see in any batch, previous batches that I have seen, is that they have gone on internship, and then they have got the offer of a final placement from the same company. So PPOs are one, we can say, unique USP of these summer internships that we do. Of course, networking is important, and relationships with industry professionals increases your consideration for the full-time roles. Like I emphasized earlier, your stronger resume and interview performance, because at the end of the day, practice is what makes you perfect. The more number of interviews you face in the summer internships, your confidence level for the final placement interview increases dynamically. So employers prioritize candidates with relevant internship experience. This is especially in competitive fields, it is very true. It gives you an edge in the interview because you are better equipped with scenario questions, and they demonstrate various problem solving skills with real examples. They have a career clarity, help students identify interests that aligns with their job searches. Their targeted preparation is there, allows focused learning, can tailor job applications to the specific roles which suit them ultimately. Even it is beneficial for our institution, the college that we are associated with. It improves the placement metrics drastically, because college with structured internship programs, they have shown better placement statistics and stronger employer relationships, often return for campus placements, and this enhances the institution's reputation as well. So ultimately we can conclude that this SIP program is a bridge to employment, and it significantly improves the final placement chances. It builds industry ready and offers direct job opportunities, boosts confidence, interview performance, and strengthens resume, and it guides students towards better career decisions. In essence, we can say that it is a bridge between academics and industry that we need today for better employment opportunities, and its successful completion is a major factor in final placement outcomes.